Amazon Favorites, episode 134. If you're a fan of breakfast, you're going to love this little contraption. All you need is an English muffin and an egg and meat or whatever else you would like to put in it. You crack the egg directly into the machine, give it a scramble, and then moments later you remove the little plate, lift it up, and you're left with a beautiful breakfast sandwich. It is literally the coolest thing ever.
Things you didn't know you needed from Amazon. This is the taco toaster, and it's going to change the way you do taco night. Just slide on your small tortilla and stick it in the toaster. And out pops what I can only describe as the perfect combination between a soft and crunchy taco. Truly the best of both worlds. It comes in a set of 2, and I linked it in my bio.
Amazon kitchen gadgets you need. This is my touchscreen toaster. It has all the settings for the different items you want to toast, like bagels, waffles, English muffins, and even Pop-Tarts. Select whether your item is fresh or frozen, and it has a scale of 1 to 7 on how toasted you want it. There's a countdown on the screen when it's almost done, and it comes out perfect every single time.
I will save space by replacing all of this. This is an electric 3-in-1 breakfast station. The coffee maker brews in minutes, so you can enjoy a cup while your food cooks. The multi-function toaster is great for toast, personal pizzas, and cookies. And there's also a large non-stick griddle that is great for your eggs and breakfast sausages. It's ideal for small kitchens, dorm rooms, and campers, and it also comes apart for quick and easy cleanup as well. So is this a useful find or not?
This is a $400 alarm clock that wakes you up with a cup of coffee. Just add water and coffee and then put some milk into the refrigerator. Then set the alarm, and in the morning you'll be woken up with a freshly made coffee waiting for you to enjoy before getting out of bed. It's perfect for coffee lovers and for people who need that extra kick to get out of bed in the morning.
Favorite gadgets to make life easier in the kitchen. If you love eggs but hate cracking them because they make a huge mess, then I found a really cool gadget that's a must-have for your kitchen. It's made of a hard plastic and has a raised edge that cracks the egg perfectly every single time. I love this because I don't get any more eggshells into my food, and it's also great for kids who want to help in the kitchen. As an added bonus, you can also use this as a utensil rest, plus it's dishwasher safe. And that's why this is one of my. So I got a lot of questions asking if this multifunctional twister would work for herbs. I got some cilantro to test it out. Just drop it in and twist away. Now let's take a look. Okay, it really is multifunctional. What do you guys think?
Amazon Favorites for your kitchen. This little contraption helps you remove the shell off of your hard-boiled eggs. All you do is put in some water and give it a vigorous shake, and then the shell just slipped right off. In fact, I did this one-handed. Back with another TikTok made me buy it. When I saw this viral egg cracker, I knew I had to give it a shot. And sure enough, it worked perfectly. No shells in the eggs at all. It even comes with this egg white separator, so you can catch the yolk easily. Very, very cool.
The Amazon kitchen gadget that I think everyone needs. These are game-changing salad choppers. They have 2 blades and a safety release. I like a really finely chopped salad, and I've tried several different salad choppers, and these are by far the easiest to use and the quickest. They're under $20, and they're linked in my bio. Kitchen gadgets you need from Amazon right now. This is the coolest pineapple cutter out there. It's so easy to use. Just slice the top of your pineapple off, align it with the center, and screw it all the way down until you can feel the bottom. When you're done, just give it a little tug and your entire pineapple spiral will come out. To remove the pineapple spiral, all you have to do is take off the top of the pineapple cutter and it'll come right off. I like to make one slice down my spiral and it creates perfect rings. This awesome tool is only $13 and I linked it in my bio.
Amazon Favorites for your kitchen. Looking for a fun way to have your kiddos help in the kitchen? This little utensil is perfect. It has the perfect little grippy handle and an edge sharp enough to cut through most fruits and vegetables. It's so cool.